Hi Tim, basically this is how you get your opals. This here is a 2 kilo bag and it's pretty mixed in there. I separated a kilo bag for you and I separated them into categories. The ones that you see in the plates are the kilo that you're gonna get. I'll describe what is what in a second. Basically the distinction is through color. Here you have the yellows and browns, and here you have the crystal opals. You can't see now the quality. I will try to do close-ups on each bag to show you how the yellows and the crystals look like. And here you have the hydropanes, and it's pretty mixed. It's hydropanes as well as some crystals. And then here you have samples that I prepared to give you an idea of what is what. This batch here is big pieces to show you that this bag contains big pieces as well. These are like pieces like you find in your top grade bag. Here we have super bright opals. And this group here is, this actually looks like a jelly opal. I found it, I just wanted to show you. This opal here, these are patterns that I come across. They're like a zebra, or you can call it a giraffe patterns. They come in the browns. They also come in whites. They will have the pattern. This actually looks like pinfires, but if you see it in person, it has the giraffe skin look as well. Same thing here. And these are, I don't know if I can show you through the camera, but these are pinfire opals. Once you shave off the skin and the whole body is visible, you'll be able to see the fire patterns much better. I just selected a few pieces that are visible as they are, but there's a lot more inside. There's a lot more inside the other pieces that you will find I missed. And then again, when you start cutting them, a lot of them will be visible. A lot of new patterns will be visible, which I cannot at the moment see. This is just another big piece. Now let's take a look at the crystal pieces. I mean, if I take every single piece I take here is really unique. You're lucky this time. I'm very surprised by this bag. It's full of fires, and the green ones are my favorite. These are beautiful pieces here. Every single piece I take here is really incredible. It's just very bright. So you have pieces like this. And also the yellows are beautiful. Some of the brightest opals that I found, the extra super brightest ones are the shades are yellow. They the color is very visible and out there. Now this is a big piece, yellow and greens. Now if we go back to the hydropaint ones, the one I told you, there are also some nice opals here. I just could not categorize everything. I just put them in one big batch, but this itself, you go through it and you find so many nice pieces. So like I say, this is a mixed bag, mostly hydropaint white. These ones are your crystal pieces, and this ones are your yellow pieces. Basically, your kilo is all these 4 plates that you see here. All these 4 plates that you see here. I'll start from here, and I'll try to show you a close-up. I mean, the fire, you can't really see the fire unless you pick them by hand. The moment they're in the plate, you don't really see. For example, take this piece. When I bring it closer, the fire starts to become visible. And then you've covered the crystal pieces. Really here, every single piece that I take is truly amazing. The greens are very beautiful. And then the other bag, we've been through this bag, it's pretty mixed. I bet you can find a lot of pin fires in this case here. I cannot really go through one by one, so that's why I showed you some samples of, let's say, the pin fires again. The pin fires, like I said, the zebra skin, giraffe skin, jelly, extra bright. The extra bright ones are actually from the yellow batch. And then this is another example I wanted to show you of stones with the bottom. They have the black in between them, the black layer, which will give them a nice color and visibility. So if I were to cut this, I would try to leave the bottom, somehow smooth this bottom surface, shave all the top and make it into a cap with the bottom, because it just enhances its beauty. The natural volcanic skin gives it a nice contrast. And then the big pieces. So again, this 4 plates make 1 kilo.